Claudie cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Claudie cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Claudie Cooks in the kitchen. Today we're doing something really simple, just making a quick brunch, with some pesto, avocado, burrata, and I'm going to blister some tomatoes on the vine. So here are all the wonderful ingredients we're using today. Just something really quick and easy. Are you ready for this? Let's get cooking. Woohoo! But before we do that, all of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below. So what are we waiting for? Let's cook. Let's start off by heating up some oil in a pan, just enough so we can blister those cherry tomatoes on the vine. Let's get the heat on, and whilst that's heating up, I'll wash some tomatoes. Let's add the washed and dried tomatoes to the pan, and we're going to fry those for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're nice and blistered. Let's season them before we start the next stage, putting on a bit of salt and black pepper, just to add some flavors. Let's mash the avocado, but before we do that, let's cut it. Oh, that's a lovely one. Right, we're just going to scoop this out and mash it in this bowl. I'm doing this for myself, so I'm going to use half the avocado and reserve the rest for later. Going in with some black pepper, now some salt. I'm using some pink salt, it's a pinch, and I'm using some chopped red onion, some olive oil, and up next have some lemon juice. I'm just going to mash this. Okay, I think that's done. Let's give it a little taste. Check in the seasoning. That's perfect. Right, we're going to set that aside. Let's turn our attention back to the tomatoes. These are looking really nice. But we're just going to switch the fire off now. Yeah, flip them over. And now I'm just going to put the lid back on and take them off the heat. Let's make the toast. You can use sourdough. I'm using rye bread because that's what I have indoors. Let's make the toast. Toast is done. I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of olive oil over that, and then I'm just going to rub it with some garlic. Let's plate up. Right, I've got some homemade nut-free and pine nut-free pesto here, but you can use whatever pesto you like. So I'm going to spoon a generous amount across the toast, followed by avocado we made earlier. We're just going to pile that all up on there. This is looking amazing. Look at that. Up next is our cheese. Oh my. And I've drained it already. Now we're going to pop it on the top. Look at that. I'm just going to break it. Let it ooze out. You could leave it whole on the top, but I just want to tear it apart like this. This is some chili oil. Just going to drizzle. Up next, these beautiful pan-fried tomatoes. A few more, just sprinkle. Just gonna grab a few baby spinach leaves. Just going to dot them around. We've got a few leaves of basil. I just love the aroma from this, so I'm just going to tear a few. Just dot them around as well. A bit more of this pesto. And a splash more chili oil. Just a pinch of black pepper. I almost forgot my glaze, my balsamic glaze. This is just going to cut through the richness of the cheese. We're just going to give it an amazing flavor profile. It's yummy. Look at that. How beautiful is that looking? And there you have it, guys. My rye toast with pesto, avocado, burrata, and fine cherry tomato. How beautiful is this? And of course you can serve this up with a glass of sparkly or some tea or coffee, whatever floats your boat. But just enjoy. Give us a like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think of this one here. See you in the next video. Woo-hoo.
Claudia Cooks bring sunshine into your life with some love.